everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is here. I am here to share with you guys the inserts we are getting this Saturday. So it looks like we are getting one insert, just one smart source. I don't feel like it's going to be a great week for inserts. There's some good ones, but I found this list on hotcouponworld.com so you guys can check it out. I don't think I will be buying a lot of inserts, possibly. We'll see. I just don't find like the deals are that good. I probably won't even use half of these, probably only like the Colgate ones, but I'm here to share with you guys what inserts we will be getting. Now please keep in mind this does differ from everybody. Some of you guys will get different things that are not even shown here, but it looks like we're getting $1 off one of Fresh, 2 off of one Airwick, Belvita, Butterfinger, or Butterfinder is how they wrote it, $2 off of 3, so it looks like it's probably Halloween candy for the nerds and Laffy Taffy. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Chips Ahoy, we're getting 75 cents off of one. Now we are getting a $2 off Colgate 360 twin pack, and then $1 off Colgate mouthwash. Dreamfields, Ducalax, Fiber One, Good Belly, we're getting $1.50 off Huggies, $1 off of 2 for baby wipes. Jolly Time, KY, pull-ups, 2 off of 1. Red Gold, 60 cents off of 3. ROCK or Rock, Retinol, I can't even speak, you guys. It's like time for me to go sleep. Rolaids, Sargento, Totino's, Werther's, and Zantac. So for me, it's not a good week for getting inserts. The only thing I really would probably get is maybe the Huggies and the Colgate. That is pretty much the only thing I'm getting, so I'm probably going to pass on inserts this week. I still get my newspaper. Well, I'll get like 1 or 2 newspapers just to have them, but other than that, that is what we are getting for inserts. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to get. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.